Hello guys and welcome to my first vegan recipe. On today's video, we are making a very healthy recipe, probably the healthiest recipe I've ever made. It comes from the Mediterranean. In Albania we call it Turli, in Greece they call it Briam, and in America it's somewhere close to Ratatouille. It's gonna be easy, it's going to be very delicious and very healthy, so let's grab all the ingredients and start making turli. There will be a lot of ingredients, so bear with me. We will need 1.5 pounds of tomatoes, 3 potatoes, 1 red onion, half an onion, 1 eggplant, 1 zucchini, 1 yellow squash, 2 celery sticks, a bunch of parsley, some basil, some garlic cloves, and a little bit of oregano. To make our job easier, we are going to divide the work into 2 main parts. First, we need to work on the base, which is the tomato sauce, and then we will work on cutting the vegetables, which are the toppings of the dish. To prepare the sauce, let's cut all the tomatoes into smaller parts. When cutting the tomatoes, don't forget to also collect the juice because it's literally the most delicious part of a tomato. After the tomatoes are done, we are going to mince some onion and some garlic. We are going to use half of the minced garlic to prepare the tomato sauce and the other half to marinate the vegetables. In a frying pan, let's add some olive oil, the minced garlic and the minced onion. When the onion and garlic look golden, let's add the tomatoes and then lower the heat to medium. It will take about 20 minutes for the sauce to be ready. While the tomatoes are cooking, don't forget to check my Instagram page, Giulio Cooks, where I post other recipes and restaurant reviews. For the second part of the recipe, we are going to peel some potatoes and then cut them into thin slices. Next, let's get the zucchini and cut it into thin slices as well. We will do the same thing for the yellow squash. Since the eggplant is a little bit bulkier, we are going to cut it in half first and then cut it into smaller pieces. We are going to do the exact same thing for the red onion. Now that all the vegetables are cut, let's put them in a bowl and we will marinate them with celery, parsley, garlic, oregano, olive oil and salt. Mix the vegetables really well and now let's check on the sauce. In about 20 minutes, the sauce should look like this. Grab a baking pan and pour in the sauce that we just prepared. Spread it out evenly, top it off with some basil, and now it's time to add the vegetables. When layering the vegetables, the only rule you need to follow is not to add the same type of vegetable right next to each other. Try to go around in a circle, just like in the time lapse. Now that everything is ready, I'm going to cover it with aluminum foil and then bake it for 40 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. After 40 minutes have passed, we are going to remove the aluminum foil and then bake it for another 40. After the second baking process, finally our turli is ready. Top it off with some basil and parsley and then serve it in a plate. Now look at those beautiful layers. If you did like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe below and I'll see you on the next video.